Welcome back to the channel.
If you can hear us.
We got the mics on, so hopefully you can hear us. But we are here at the Petrified Forest National Park. Hopefully it'll be a good time, but it's really windy. Who's that coming around this corner? Seems like we can't get rid of him. He's always here. It's Justin and Bernie. This isn't going to be our normal travel vlog where we're showing you a bunch of different spots along the way. We're going to do as best as we can, but with this crazy wind that's currently going on and the winter/windstorm that is coming this way towards the Petrified Forest over to Flagstaff, etc., where we have to drive through to Vegas, we're just going to do kind of a shorter little trip with us here in the Petrified Forest and the Rainbow Desert, I think this is called, that we're going through right now. I don't know.
The Painted Desert?
Painted Desert?
Yes.
Painted Desert? That's it, I think.
So right in front of us here, you're going to see an OG Nuvo, and that is actually Beth, and she has her own YouTube channel. It is Beth's Midlife Adventure, so you guys should really go and subscribe to her channel. She is also on Instagram as Midlife Adventurer, so whatever is your style, she posts some great content that you guys should go and look at. We've got both the kitty cats right here, of course. They're checking out the national park with us. So as Neil was mentioning earlier, we have a major wind and winter storm heading towards us in the area that we're driving to. So we got to make it somewhere tonight. Neil, where do you think we're going to end up?
We are trying to make it to Flagstaff. That's the goal, because at least there we have some civilization if things really hit the fan. And Justin, he wants to get a haircut and do his diva thing, so I guess we'll go stay there. But should make for an interesting second half of this video maybe if we get blasted with a winter storm. Now let's go check out Newspaper Rock. This looks pretty cool. What are you doing? Checking out my cat dad look? I actually kind of look like I'm like a hobo right now or something.
I think you look pretty good actually, but I'm your wife, so I'm a little biased. All right, we're coming up to it. Let's check out Newspaper Rock.
Behold, Teepee Rock. It's pretty cool. Really pretty. And we have a message from the National Park Service. And Mr. Cacti, please be in your vehicle by 6:30 p.m. Look at that face. He's not messing around. He's serious. That is a man on a mission, or a cacti on a mission, as some may say. 217 million years ago. That's impressive.
Oh, it's gonna collapse.
Yeah. Water created the bridge and it's going to destroy it. Another friendly reminder from the National Park Service and Mr. Rainbow Cloud. Please be back in the vehicle by 6:30 p.m. on the dot.
Or hungry coyotes might eat you.
Wow, I didn't even notice that. That's awesome. Well done, marketing team. This right here is Jasper Forest. This is pretty neat. So all those little brown dots that you guys are seeing on your screen right now are actually trees that have been petrified. That's really neat.
Now this is pretty cool. This is called Crystal Forest, and I've got Justin and Beth walking in front of me right now. But we are just walking through, and all of this has turned petrified. All of these pieces of the trees. That's pretty neat. There is stuff everywhere. Speaking of Beth, say hi, Beth.
And this right here is Old Faithful. Really big, petrified tree. Look at that thing. It's pretty cool. You look up close, you can see the crystals right there. All the rocks. And for reference, everybody, it's a little calmer right at this moment, but it's probably really loud on the camera, I bet. If it's not, that's impressive. But it is windy. I just wanted to show you what it was like and why we're using mics.
Well, good morning, everyone, from the good old Cracker Barrel parking lot. We just had some incredible breakfast, so thank you, Cracker Barrel. But we did dodge the weather because there is no snow outside right now. But as you can see, it is chilly because I've got a winter jacket on and a hat and even some boots, which is kind of crazy considering we were just in really warm temperatures.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.